So this potato here, the leaf, I usually cook the leaf. A few times the leaf has helped me when I was, oh my buck, not showing you. I just got out of the bed. I went to the garden straight. I've been in bed for the whole day now so far. No, the whole day.
Yeah,
Because I go out by 12 something.
Yeah, 12.
They want to buy it. I help themselves with food. With whatever that was available. Nothing that pop off, eh?
She meant to eat too.
It's okay. It doesn't matter who finish it. No one is in trouble here. So let me put in the blame on somebody. Don't show my, try to avoid showing my butt.
I'm not showing the bone.
I'm just saying.
Okay.
Ready? Look at this one. Look at this one.
Wait, I'm seeing.
Ew, they always look like to say they are. See? This is like the pink potato. They have the purple ones. And they have the... I think they also do have the one that have this white with the brown skin on it.
Well, yeah, that's normal potatoes.
Really?
Yeah.
And what are those ones? They're not normal?
Yeah, these are sweet potatoes.
No, they have sweet potato that have different skin color. It's not purple. It's not orange. that is not pink and purple. They have potato like that, I'm pretty sure. Let me see if there's any more on here. Hidden one. Are you hiding yourself? Show yourself. I can see your root is traveling somewhere. Is that going to the ancestor village? So,
Ancestors village.
okay, that just in one place. Now,
Hi, mommy.
let's see. Let's see what. I'm tired. Do we have Haiti ones somewhere?
Hitting. I'm looking at the words right now.
Let's see if we're going to figure the one first and then we're going to tell it different that.
Ooh.
I want to pick the leaf out of it.
Ooh.
And slice it and keep it in the
Oh
fish.
my god.
Look there. It's the wrong clothes to be wearing and be doing video. I can show my Saki book.
So tall. I can't see.
Of course, I'm tall.
I know.
These are short. I don't show that.